Welcome back. Well, there was a bit of an intraday dip, but that's got bought into, and that's thanks to Infosys. Intraday it came down 1% from the top, but that's still holding its ground as we speak. But let's focus on mid-cap IT. Mindtree is clocking gains on the back of an all-round beat in the second quarter. Rima standing by to run us through what aided the performance and what a brokerage is making of these numbers as well. Rima.
Well, Ambit called it a perfect quarter, but the outlook is a bit hazy. So Q2 numbers by Mindtree have delivered a beat on all parameters, and that's the reason why brokerages too have gone ahead and raised the target price. So Morgan Stanley raises the target price to 3,400, Nomura to 3,180. But in terms of the rating, you would see it's largely neutral, and that's on account of the high valuations Mindtree trades at. It trades at the valuations of large cap peers and even more than that. Actual numbers, dollar revenue growth of 5.7%. Constant currency revenue growth is more than 7%. That's a fantastic number, much higher than street expectations. The company's EBIT margins were flat. The street was anticipating a decline in margins due to wage hikes, but the company was able to absorb the impact of wage hikes and report margins of 19.2%. That said, although this was a perfect quarter, it's a beat on all counts. Even the deal wins, etc., everything looked good. The only issue is the management commentary was a bit circumspect about the outlook. So one, retail is a large portion of their client. They've been seeing ramp downs in a couple of their retail clients. That the management said has ended. But in Q3, there will be some furloughs in the retail client. But they also called out a couple of the other sectors like manufacturing, logistics, or Europe. So the management was a little more cautious. So we need to watch for the growth in H2 of this year as well as FY22. So all in all, it's a good quarter that's come through from Mindtree, and the stock, of course, is reacting to that.
Take that